clef is a symbol and tells us how to read the notes on a stave. Each line and space represent a note, and the clef will tell us the name and pitch of the notes. The lines and spaces can continue above and below the stave, and we call this ledger line. There are 4 basic clefs that are used in music today: G clef, F clef, and the C clefs. Why do we need different clefs? Isn't it easier to just have one type of clef to read all music? Well, different instruments and voices have different ranges of sound. Some of them sound higher in pitch while some of them sound lower. The range of notes exists in music is far greater than what we can fit on a single 5-line stave. So the main purpose of the different clefs is to make reading easier for instruments and voices that have different ranges of sound. G clef is the most common clef in music. The treble clef is also known as G clef. That's because the clef curls around the line where the G note falls. This clef is primarily used for high-sounding instruments such as the violin, guitar, flute, oboe, English horn, clarinet, saxophone, horn, and trumpet. The upper stave of the harp and keyboard instruments also use treble clef. The treble clef line of the stave from bottom to top are E, G, B, D, and F, or every good boy does fine, while the letters for spaces of the treble clef are spelled out face. Bass clef is a type of F clef because the note F falls on the line in between the 2 dots of the clef. This clef is used for low-sounding instruments such as bass guitar, cello, double bass, bassoon, trombone, tuba, and timpani. The bottom stave of the harp and keyboard instruments use the bass clef too. The lines of the bass clef stave from bottom to top are G, B, D, F, A, or Great Big Dogs Fight Animals. And the spaces are A, C, E, G, or All Cows Eat Grass. When the C clef is placed on the 3rd line of the stave, it is called the alto clef. This clef is currently used for the viola and trombone. The Latin names for the lines of the stave from the bottom to top are F, A, C, E, G, while the spaces are G, B, D, F. When the C clef is placed on the 4th line of the stave, it is called the tenor clef. Tenor clef is not seen as often as the other clefs. It is occasionally seen in music written for the cello, double bass, bassoon, and trombone. The symbol looks similar to the alto clef. However, the C is moved up 1 line from the alto clef, which will get D, F, A, C, E for the line notes and E, G, B, D for the spaces. I personally haven't come across acronyms for alto and tenor clefs, but for alto clef, the internet suggested fat animals call elephant gorges and good bakers deserve fudge. Whereas for tenor clef, we have dragons flying around castle everywhere and every grandma bakes dessert. So if that helps, that's amazing. If not, you may create your own acronyms to help yourself to remember them easier. There we go, 4 types of clefs and we are done. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and share this video if you enjoyed it. See you guys next time.